It's icy. You're not locked up. So
I got a road.
Might need it.
yeah, you're stuck.
Wanna go that route?
Yeah.
Yank it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bottom of my toe.
Nice.
All right. Go.
Are they done?
Yeah, I'm just gonna film them driving through here. Yeah, it's slick. Everyone's getting stuck at this point. A little. Hey, wheeler guys, stay on the trail till we get up there.
You're not talking to us up here, are you?
I'm talking to you wheeler guys.
I'm not in data too.
That's good.
What's up? So Drew put out an open invite and a bunch of guys showed up here. Hopefully there's a lot of snow up there. I was gonna take you with me like I always do.
Has anyone not been there before? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be up front. I'm gonna put one of the trailers behind me. Where's the other guy with that?
Trailer?
Yeah, is he back there?
Oh, yeah.
The X-Train guy?
Yeah.
We'll get the two of us behind you so we can get parking.
Hang on left or right river.
And rock it back and forth. Yeah, just rock it back and forth. Did you try and crawl it in double low?
Yeah. Alright, turn off, plug that out.
Hey Tyler, are you locked up in your rear?
Not right now. Oh, shit, killed it.
You don't have a locker in the rear?
Oh, I do. Here, I'll kick it on.
Okay, turn your lockers on because your rear is not on.
It is right.
Right, you're out of that hole. Okay, now back up. Pick up that momentum again.
keep momentum. Back up and you're gonna have to hit it kind of hard. Hard passenger as you go forward. Keep turning it, hard passenger.
I told you the tree walls, I'm stuck.
Okay, that's good. You can get out from there. Stop. Second gear, single low, and pound it out. Get the rev all the way up. Go. Okay, do it again. You're almost out. And turn that way when you're coming out. There, go. Okay, back up some more so the snow is unpiled up. Go some more.
Right there.
Right there.
Hammer down. Back up and do it again. Go again. Back up again.
Try a little bit easier.
Go again.
Little easier. Not too much gas. Roll into it and then hit it. It's like the kids just found a heaven's playground and they didn't leave.
Fair enough.
Hey, your front tire's not spinning.
I don't know why.
How do I get there?
It was just spinning earlier.
Just back up and then that place where we came down on the main road. You'll see where the white 4Runner is at.
Now it is.
No, it's not.
It
Is
was
your
just-
hub unlocked?
No, it is locked. Here, look, watch.
Going good so far. We finally hit some snow, and once we get there, we're gonna hang out for a bit. I want to just share my knowledge and experience with other people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Start all over.
Okay, starting over.
Go.
Just to teach people how to properly tow each other out from the snow. So I just want to do my part in sharing my experience and knowledge with other people that are new to this, and make sure they are able to get themselves unstuck and help each other out the right way and the safe way. Good.
Oh, did you guys hit each other?
Yeah, I got pulled into it.
Oh, on that one?
On yours?
Oh, that one's already messed up, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well then. All right.
Yeah, at first my buddy struck up onto a trailer and took it after that.
Yeah, go all the way around. Just make sure you... Don't blow your engine, we gotta drive it home. You're bellied out.
Loosen up.
Loosen up.
All the way. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, here we go. Call it. Keep on coming, keep on coming. Keep on coming.